What's up, guys? Today we're looking at this 2026 Z06 in Roswell Green Metallic. Absolutely beautiful color. You don't see many C8s in this color. And we had the privilege of doing a track package of PPF and a full paint correction and ceramic coating. So everything that didn't get PPF got corrected and ceramic coated. Everything is protected on this car. So the reason we did the track package PPF, these cars, they're pretty low to the ground. Really, any vehicle that has potential to go on the track or anything like that, it's a really good idea to get PPF not only on the full front, which is our most common package, but also on the rocker panels, the bottoms of the doors, the door handles. And on C8s, we do this custom hip installation where we're going all the way down here on this side of the bumper where it's a high impact area. These Z06 Corvettes make, I think, 670 horsepower, and they're ripping down the road. They're ripping all the rocks off the road. They're ripping the pavement off the road, throwing it onto the paint. That happens for any vehicle, but especially a car that's supposed to go on the track. These things are designed for that. So that being said, we have a track package of PPF. Everything that is a high rock chip prone area is covered. So with our paint correction process before the ceramic coating, we're removing any surface level defects, any scratches, swirling, marring that may have happened from a machine car wash or an improperly done hand car wash. And so every panel on this car was corrected that didn't get PPF. And after the correction, we apply that ceramic coating. So the ceramic coating seals that all in, protects it against the elements, chemical resistance, for things like acid rain, or if you're having it washed again, any more aggressive chemicals that could etch your paint, prevents all that from happening. So with that ceramic coating, I mean, this thing's absolutely gorgeous. It turned out perfect, and the gloss is incredible. We needed to match the gloss that our PPF provides on the rest of the car, so that's why we did this correction and ceramic coating. Even a brand new car like this will have scratches, so that paint correction, maybe you're like, this is a 2026, why do you need a paint correction on a 2026? Well, the dealership floor being clean and the cars on them being clean require a wash to happen after transport, right? So who knows how they're doing it, if they're doing it properly or not. And once we got it, we saw it absolutely did have some marring on the paint. So that's why we do this paint correction before our ceramic coating. And again, that ceramic coating just seals everything in, chemically protects it all. So it's way easier to maintain as well, super easy to wash. Same goes for any PPF surfaces. And yeah, this thing's just incredible. We also coated the wheels on this Z06. These wheels are prone to all kinds of brake dust. These brake rotors are huge. They're also still steel rotors, and those throw a ton of brake dust. So with the coating on the wheels, it prevents a lot of that from sticking to the painted surface. These are beautiful, solid black wheels, and the last thing you want is for them to be brown as you're driving down the road. So it's way easier to remove all of the brake dust that builds up on the wheels with that ceramic coating applied. So with all of that being said about the process of what we did, why we do what we do, if you have a car like this and you're looking to get it protected from the elements, get it protected from rock chips, be sure to reach out. We're booked out a couple months, and you need to get on the schedule as soon as you can, especially if you want to drive it this summer. So with all that being said about what we did to this and why, if you have a vehicle that you want to get protected, or that you're concerned about rock chips or swirling or marring or scratches or anything like that, you need to get on the schedule as soon as possible. We're booked out a couple months, and the schedule packs up really quickly. So contact us through this post, submit a form, go on our website, ATTN, the number 2, detail.info. Again, that's ATTN2detail.info, and get in contact with us, get on the schedule for a consultation, come in, meet us. We'd love to shake your hand and introduce you to the team, show you where we do this work, show you why what we do is important for your vehicle. And yeah, we'd love to meet you and see your cool car. So if you want to get on the schedule, come see us at A2D HQ in Highland, Indiana. Again, that's Highland, Indiana. Donovan with A2D out.